name is Day Emmanuel, and I was a part of Group C that visited Aliosa Organic and Bella Wine yesterday. I picked out two key things. When you start something, don't be discouraged by what other people would be saying about it. And then from the CEO, Bella Wine, one thing that I picked from her is that you need to look within yourself and you find out what resources you have. You might not have the money, but there is something there. There might be resources that you have that you can use and you start up a business. So I personally, I was inspired by her, by her personal experiences, what she did and where she is right now. So for me, I always think that to start up a business, you need to have money. But yesterday I got to learn that you need to find another way apart from money to start up a business. Thank you so much.
We shouldn't be afraid to start. Betting is a very big product today, but it wasn't big from the start. She started this in a kitchen, her own home kitchen. That is where the story of Bella Wine started from. So whichever resources that we have, let's put them to use.